Hello guys, how to fix Windows backup failed with error code 0x8078011e on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are also facing such type of issue, the first workaround is uninstall third-party antivirus software. To do so, go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type appwiz.cpl to open program and features windows and control panel of your Windows system. Here look for your third-party antivirus. If you have installed in your system, then simply select it and choose uninstall. Sometimes third-party antivirus software program may restrict Windows backup and you have to face error on this system. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type msconfig to perform a clean boot of your system. System configuration windows will open. Here go to services from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and thereafter choose disable all. Thereafter go to the startup tab from the top menu bar and choose open task manager and here manually disable all the enabled apps on your system. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all the enabled startup apps in your system. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Thereafter restart your system. Don't forget to restart your Windows 11 10 system after performing clean boot of your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is perform a system restore. Go to run command box again and here type rstrui to launch system restore windows. System restore windows is open now and here recommended restore already provided, so confirm your restoration point and choose finish. If you want to choose another restore point, then simply go back and choose a different restore point and click on next. Here choose a different show more restore point. If you want to show more restore point, check against this box and choose a system restore point from which restore your computer to the state from which your system is in good condition. Click on next and choose finish. Finally confirm your restore point and